Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove unwanted object from our video in CapCut application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and for example guys, I'm going to remove this phone from my video. First of all, we can duplicate this clip. We can click on the clip and we have to scroll all the way to the right until we find the duplicate option. Wait for it. Okay, this one, click on this duplicate and we're going to overlay the video. Click on overlay and drag the second clip until it's aligned with the first clip, and after that we're going to use the mask to cover the unwanted object. You can click on the second clip and you have to select mask. This one, click on the mask and I'm gonna go with the circle mask. Then we can adjust the size of the mask and take another part of the video to cover the unwanted object, and I think this part will be suitable to cover the unwanted object. Okay, and once you're done, you can click on the check mark and you can drag the mask to cover the unwanted object. You can also rotate the mask like this, and you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with the result. And after you're done, you just need to go back and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove unwanted object from our video in CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.